Turned up to this Worcester Bosch 30i with no hot water. First thing I did was check for myself, turn the hot tap on, go and observe the boiler. So we can see that temperature is rising pretty quickly. "90 degrees, boiler's overheated, cuts out." So first thing I'm thinking, it's bound to be the plate. So I'll whip the pump manifold out and you can manoeuvre the plate out that way. I find it the easiest way. Now for the juicy bit, fire the hot tap up, observe the temperature. It's climbing pretty steady now. I think we cracked it. Give the old plate a good wash through, just to have a look, see if there was anything in there. Was pretty dirty, boiler's holding fine. Customer's happy with hot water, happy days.